Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 14th, 2021. PayPal becomes China's first foreign full owner. PayPal Holding Inc. became the first foreign operator with 100% control of a payment platform in China, according to the Chinese government. All as part of a plan by the U.S. financial technology giant to strengthen its position in the fast-growing online payments market. PayPal acquired 30% of the shares it does not already own in China's GoPay, officially known as Guofubao Information Technology Co., on December the 31st. Financial details were not disclosed yet. The acquisition of the stake came a year after PayPal acquired a 70% stake in GoPay for an undisclosed amount. By seizing full control of one of the smaller players in the world's largest payment market, PayPal will compete with payment giants Alipay and WeChat Pay, owned by Tencent Holdings Ltd. As China fully opens its financial sector. EC approves a Refinitiv acquisition by LSE. The European Commission approved the purchase of financial information operator Refinitiv by the London Stock Exchange Group (LSE) for $27 billion. The EC, which oversees antitrust policy in the 27 EU countries, said its investigation uncovered a number of antitrust problems related to the deal. However, to address the Commission's competition concerns, LSE has made a number of commitments, including the sale of 99.9% stake of Borsa Italiana. According to Margrethe Vestager, Executive Vice President of the European Commission, competition in trade services and access to financial information products on fair and equal terms are important for the European economy. The LSE said that to complete the deal, they need some approvals from merger control and financial regulators. The deal is expected to be completed in the first quarter of this year. Japanese stocks rise to record highs, U.S. bonds fall. Japanese stocks jumped to a three-decade high and other Asian stocks barely crawled to near record highs Thursday as investors focused on the outlook for U.S. stimulus and continued to bet on global economic recovery and growth. In the meantime, U.S. treasuries were sold off again after reports that President-elect Joe Biden is mulling a stimulus package worth up to $2 trillion. Japan's Nikkei rose 1.4% to its highest level since August 1990. It rose more than 8% in 3 weeks. The broadest MSCI Asia-Pacific stock index outside Japan was steady, in just a week ghost of Monday's record high. In the U.S., bonds fell after an overnight surge amid reports that the Fed will continue to buy bonds. The yield of the benchmark 10-year treasuries, which rises as prices fall, rose 1.7 basis points in Asia. Meanwhile, the House of Representatives voted for the historic second impeachment of President Donald Trump. Target sales surged due to online holiday fever. Target Corp reported a 17.2% increase in comparable holiday season sales Wednesday. This was the result of a more than twofold increase in online sales due to faster shipments and higher demand for home goods, electronics, and cosmetics. Significant sales growth came from same-day deliveries and in-store pickup services, areas where the Minneapolis-based retailer invested heavily during the COVID-19 pandemic. Large retailers such as Target and Walmart Inc. are using the upheaval caused by the healthcare crisis as an opportunity to gain market share from smaller competitors trying to weather the effects of the pandemic. In December, 150 million items were sold through services that allow shoppers to collect online purchases from stores, nearly 4 times more than during the same period a year earlier.